A very good morning, dear students. You have done till question number 5 in last class. So today we will start from question number 6. Solve the following. Number A, 8 by 9 divided by 6. Now you have to solve this, okay? So 8 by 9, when you convert this division into multiplication, you have to write reciprocal. So in our last class, I have taught how to write reciprocal. You have to consider here 1, then its reciprocal is 1 by 6. Now you can cancel this 8 and 6 with 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now further you cannot cancel. Now you have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 4 into 1 4, 9 3s are 27. So answer is 4 by 27. Now question number B, 2 by 3. Convert this division into multiplication. Add here 1. Now reciprocal of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7. Now you cannot cancel 2 and 7. So we will simply multiply. 2 into 1 2. 3 into 7, 7 3s are 21. Answer is 2 by 21. Next is 2 by 5 whole divided by 4. Add here 1. Then 2 by 5. Convert this division into multiplication. 1 by 4. Now you can cancel this 2 and 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Is equal to 1 into 1 1. 5 2s are 10. Answer is 1 by 10. 2 by 4, convert this division into multiplication, write its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 3 by 9 is 9 by 3. You can cancel this. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Is equal to, now multiply 1 into 3, 3 divided by 2 1s are 2. Now this is improper fraction. You have to write in mixed fraction, and you know how to write mixed fraction in mixed fraction. 2 1s are 2, remainder 1. Answer is 1 1 by 2. Now next, here it is given in mixed fraction. Convert into improper. 3 2s are 6, 7 8. 8 by 3 whole divided by 6 1s are 6 plus 5 11. 11 by 6. Now this division we will convert into multiplication. So write its reciprocal. 6 by 11. We can cancel this. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now further we cannot cancel. 8 into 2, 8 2s are 16 divided by 1 into 11, 11. Again this is improper fraction whose denominator is more. Now we will convert into mixed fraction. 11 1s are 11, 5. This is your answer, 1 5 by 11. Now next is 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 divided by 7 whole divided by 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 2. Now convert this division into multiplication. Write reciprocal. 2 by 9. Now 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. So 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 7 1s are 7. This is proper fraction. So this is your answer. Now next is find the value 3/4 of 6. Of means multiplication. So 3 by 4 into 6. So you can cancel this 4 and 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Your answer is 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. This is improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. 2 4s are 8, remainder 1. Again 3 by 8 into 280. You can cancel this 8 and 280. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now 3 into 35. 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, 105. Divided by 1. No need to write this one in the denominator. Your answer is 105. Now next is question number D, 1/4 of a decade. You know decade is 10 years. No, 1 decade is 10 years. So into 10 years. Now you can cancel this. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 1 into 5. 5 divided by 2. Again, this is improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 years. 2.5 years. Okay, next question number E. 2 by 5 of means multiplication 7 hours, but you have to write in minutes. Okay, you know 1 hour is 60 minutes, so in 7 hour we have 60 into 7, 420 minutes. So 7 hours means 420 minutes. Now cancel this. 5 1s are 5, 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20. So multiply. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 1668 minutes. This is your answer. Now next is question number F. 3/4 of means multiplication 5 kg, but your answer must be in gram. So we will convert this kg into gram. So you know 1 kg is 1000 gram. So in 1 kg, if there are 1000 gram, then in 5 kg we have 5000 gram. So in place of 5 kg you write 5000 gram. Now you cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0 0. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0. Now multiply. 3 into 0, 0. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 3 1s are 3. So 3750 gram. Now next question number G. 4 by 7 of a week, but answer must be in days. So a week means 1 week. So 1 week means 7 days. So in place of week you write 7 days. Cancel this. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So 4 into 1, 4 divided by 1, no need to write. So 4 days.